How to fix Gcash internal server error. If you're facing this error, then the first thing you want to do is force close Gcash and reopen it. For that, open up Settings. Now tap on Apps. Find Gcash and tap on that. Now tap on the Force Stop option, tap on OK. Once that is done, reopen Gcash and check if your problem is fixed. If not, open up your settings again, tap on Apps, tap on Gcash, then tap on Storage, tap on Clear Cache. After that, head back. Now tap on Permissions. Make sure all the required permissions are given. If anything is not, simply tap on that and then tap on the Allow option. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If your signal is weak or fluctuating, switch to another network and try again. Next, you want to update your Gcash application. For that, open up Google Play Store, search for Gcash, tap on Update if that is available. If that doesn't work, you want to restart your phone. Sometimes your phone just needs a quick restart. Power off and wait for a few seconds and then turn it back again. If none of these steps work, you want to contact the Gcash support, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.